Hey guys, want to do a quick review on the Shark vacuum. Now this is the PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro. Now I think I found my favorite one for the Shark Power Detect line. Now this thing is amazing. This thing self-empty, self-refill, self-clean. The pad, it washes and it dries. Up to 60-day debris capacity and a 30-day refill tank, which is really nice. You really definitely don't have to touch this thing. But one of the features I really like is the mop. It extends to the corner, so you don't have to manually go back and clean those corners, which is a big plus. It has a deodorizer, which is nice. I haven't seen that on a lot of the vacuums. And my favorite features is that it's able to lift the bot up, and it lifted up in the back. It looks like some kind of insect, and the way it moves, it just makes me laugh. I've never seen any robot like that. And with my carpet, it's just lifting up, and it carries itself up and then put itself down. I am so impressed. This is one of my favorite robotic cleaner. I think it's a great value. It is a premium one, but if you have the budget for it, I definitely recommend it. Just watch this thing in action.
Starting to wash my pad. Starting to dry my pad.